Good morning here from Jamaica in St. Thomas. Yes, I'm going to be giving you a neighborhood walk today, guys. You know, I want you guys to enjoy this neighborhood. This neighborhood walk is starting here on Miami Lane. Yes, here in Ortiz, Miami Lane, guys. So please relax back and enjoy the video so much. And don't forget to also go and check out DMAC 4K World Tour as well, guys. It's very important to the channel. Thank you so much. I'll put a link down in the description. Right, and let us start the video. Yes, some nice houses around here, man. This place I've got some nice houses. And look over there. There's a land over that side. But I don't know if it's going for sale or anything like that. I have no idea. Yes, but it's a nice piece of land. That would be a nice piece of land to buy. And right there is my gate, right there. Yes, it's a nice neighborhood. And I'm going to show you a hill as well, guys. I mean, there's a lot of memory, you know, around this neighborhood. It's a neighborhood where I used to live before, guys. You know, so over here, there's some trees over that side as well. Look at that. And here, this one called the Aki tree. Never remember that tree used to be there. But I'm sure whoever land that is, that tree will belong to them. That's how it works here in Jamaica. And there's another Aki tree as well. See, this one called Aki tree, guys. You can see all these things on here. You see, called Aki. See, right on there. You know, so it's an Aki tree over there. And over this side, guys, I remember, you know, suddenly, you know, so sad. I mean, I remember a boathouse used to be over this side. Yes, it was over here. And there is someone used to live over there. It was called Paula and Nadia. Yeah, that used to live over that side. And over there before this house and this side, we used to have a different neighbor live here before, and it was not like this in this condition. And down there, one of my friends used to also live down there as well. I don't know if he still lives there or what's the history with him. I don't know. I have no idea of what and what is happening. Yes, I don't know. So, yeah. And then, I don't know. I could try and call to my family over here. I don't know if Peter is in or whatever. But I remember when this house was built from scratch. So I don't know if Peter is in or not, but yes, I know the two members passed away from here, from this side here. So Mother German, I know, passed away a long time ago. I don't know about the wife of Peter. I don't know if he's still there, but yeah. But I think they're still in bed sleeping, so I don't want to disturb nobody at this time. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of early in the morning. Alright, I'll come back later on to this house. Let's see. And then, right over here, it shows that different people used to live over here by the June plum tree. Yes, so we got different people living over that side. Yes. Right, so I need to contact Jason and see if he's around. I don't know. Good morning. So I need to contact Jason. That's what he's saying. Oh, we got Walker was trying to call me here. All right. I will have to call Jason from over there. Okay, he's also one of my neighbor as well. So yes, here in this neighborhood. So let me go up here and see. Anyway, you can see he's a nice neighbor. You can even see that lady just even say good morning to me. It's nice neighbor. But yes, I need to call Jason because I know he live down there. And then also a family member also live down here as well, called Sister Lovey. She's still alive. I heard she's still alive. The husband has passed away. Yes, he passed away. Yes. And then I know that Booker T, they live over this side here. That's Booker T. So I would love to say hello to him as well. Got a nice house. House is nice and renovated. And also this house is a little bit relevated as well. Oh yes, it is a lot relevated. So I know someone over here called by the name of Essie that live over this side. And then over here, so lady by the name of Miss Foster that used to raise a lot of geese and things like that. You know, used to live over that side as well, you know. And then over here, the friend, yes, over here I got a friend by the name of Greggy. I must ask for him as well, because I've not been around this neighborhood for a long time, guys. It's a neighborhood where I was raised. Yes, and I've not been here for so long, so yeah. Used to have lots of friends live down here. One called Robot that used to live around here, Pingy, Conroy. Well, Conroy never used to live there, and used to just normally go there and get guineas. We are my friend Garrick Dole. Everybody get guinea from there, so yeah. But this house is still under construction from such a long time. Yeah. Good morning.
Hello.
Are you alright? Yes, I'm alright, man.
Okay, yeah, I'm the grandson.
I'm German. I'm one of the German who won. Yeah, Kirk. This is Kirk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you doing?
We're doing alright,
Okay, you take a stroll out.
Yeah, man. I take a long one out, man.
You take a long.
This was a long one, man.
What is been
Years,
years?
yes, man. You could just still remember me, though. You see, this is what I tell everybody. I look the same, don't it? Just a little bit, not so much, though. Yes.
That's a lot.
Yeah, man. Respect her. Am I right, though?
Okay, that's good.
Yes, a brother doing all right. Yeah.
Okay. It's good to see you.
Good to see you. Your daughter, yeah?
No, my cousin.
Your cousin?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
morning cousin. You shy?
Yeah, she said, look at she think you have video something.
Oh, I'm a content creator. But me not video, yeah, video stuff, yeah.
Yeah, you have video.
Yeah, yes. Yeah, don't shy. Morning, sir. Yeah, good morning. The road here. Yes. So yes, guys. So yes. So the cousin was there, and of course she knows I was videoing, but it's all right. It wasn't anything to hide away from nobody. You know, anyway, they know who I am, so at least that's also another family member as well. You know, he is a very close family member as well. We used to go to school with her. And here, this shop here belongs to Miss Ruby. And down this shortcut as well, I used to go down here all the time to get guineas, you know, down that side. And we got Ella Leverage live on that side, which is still alive. But Sister Leverage, he has passed away suddenly, you know, so yeah. And you have to be careful sometimes when you walk through, especially through these bushes and places like that. You have to be careful, because what can happen, sometimes you can get attacked by dogs, bad dog, and we already got one here. But yeah, these don't trouble you, you know, these type of dogs. Once you're on the road, you know, they will not trouble you. And then this road is going to take you on to Crossroad. Yes, and then this is the front of Ella Leverage house right here. Yes. I mean, of course, I would know everybody around here, but because I've not been, you know, in this country for so many years, including the area. Yes. But it is a nice neighborhood. Look at lots of mango trees over there. Lots of trees and everything over there. Well, I need to get something here at the shop, guys. I don't know if I'm allowed to video in the shop, but yes, some people, you know, don't like cameras, so I don't know. Service? This shop here, I need to buy something.
Show her your face. Look on him face good.
It looks familiar, but we just can't see it.
You remember me?
No, try long time.
Marsha, I used to go Yellows Primary School.
Yes.
She's me in the same class.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know me then, man.
Of course I know you.
I am ashamed not remembering, you know.
Two brother them, Kirk and Kevin.
Maybe it was a long while.
Yeah, it's a long time still. Yes, it's a long
And then
time.
did go overseas.
A long time, so I don't remember.
You don't remember.
Oh, boy.
But remember when you was in your school uniform though? Remember when you were in your school uniform, man, you know? The khaki.
Yeah.
Yes, the khaki.
True.
Remember Marsha, man, yeah, man.
Hey, that Indian girl, I know, you see her though.
Yes. Marsha, man, remember her, man.
Mr. Marsha, may I look on this somebody and me I say, who that somebody, Marsha, me I say.
Yes, guys, so this is what I buy here at Cheryl's shop.
This Cheryl shop.
Well, Miss Cheryl's shop. Yeah, I should say Miss Cheryl's shop.
Everybody call me that.
Hey, Miss Cheryl, eh?
And them here at first starters,
All
so
right.
them not that big.
Yeah, let's get a video of that, you know?
Yes. Okay.
You alright with camera?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Me not have a camera, but only on my phone.
Yeah, the way you beat me up, you know?
No, what?
Yeah, we put you on camera.
Well, what's in here?
Put Cheryl on camera. You what you said about on YouTube?
Yes, dear.
Yeah, make me have a bag to me. Pay for a bag. Come, you know, say it different. Or if you know a bag, me can carry it on my hand, you know?
No.
You know the bag.
Yes, baby.
No scandal bag. Guys, you see that hill up there? I used to climb that hill when I was younger, guys. It's very, very high, and to climb up there, it take about 2 hours. But if you're going to be just walking slow, then it's going to take a lot longer. So that hill is not so low as you think it is, but it's really, 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 really high. When I say high. So we used to go on that hill and we go right to the very top, guys. You know, right to the top, to the pointed top at the lane. Yes, okay. Thank you so much, guys. This is where I'm going to wrap up the neighborhood tour. And so nice to see a lot of friends and schoolers that used to go to my school. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Don't forget to always subscribe, share this video, tell another friend to tell another friend, and also check out DMAC 4K World Tour, and also all the YouTubers as well, including Mash Rose Lifestyle, Wayne Mighty 4K Explorer, Smiley in the city. All those links are going to be down in the description, and all the names I haven't called. But thank you so much, guys. I'm signing out from Jamaica, here in St. Thomas and Miami Lane. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style.
Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really, really good price, you know, so come here to Marrakesh, guys, in Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. You know?
Oh, Ate, Maserati. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Rocket's video is very nice!
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But
You know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.